In this video, you'll learn how to print a shipping label on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to prepare your packages for shipment efficiently and accurately. This process is essential for ensuring that your items reach their destination without any issues. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the main page, navigate to the Seller Hub. Within the Seller Hub, locate the Orders section. Here, you will find a list of items that are ready to ship. Identify the specific item you wish to send and select the option labeled Print Shipping Label. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can verify the shipping address and package details. Ensuring that all information is accurate at this stage is critical for smooth order fulfillment and prevents potential delivery issues. Next, you will need to choose the carrier and shipping service suitable for your package. Select the type of package you are using, and then input the weight and dimensions of the item. It is important to provide precise measurements to avoid any complications during the shipping process. After entering this information, review the total cost associated with the shipment, including any discounts or promotional rates that may apply. Confirm that all details are correct before proceeding to print the label. Taking a moment to double check this information will help reduce the chances of returns and delays. Once you have confirmed all the shipping details, proceed to print the shipping label. Make sure that your printer is properly set up and has sufficient ink and paper. After printing, securely attach the label to your package. It is crucial to ensure that the label is affixed properly to avoid it coming loose during transit. You can then drop off the package at the designated carrier location, or if preferred, schedule a pickup for. After you've sent the package, update the tracking information in your eBay account. Providing this information allows the buyer to monitor the shipment's progress, which enhances their experience. It is also advisable to keep a copy of the shipping label for your records. This documentation can be helpful in case any issues arise during the delivery process. Proper label usage is vital for ensuring timely delivery and improving buyer satisfaction. Consistently adhering to these labeling practices can enhance your overall selling efficiency on eBay. By following these steps, you can manage your shipping tasks effectively, leading to a better experience for both you and your buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.